In the shadow of mountains high above, with a heart that's pure like a dove, heroes rise, they break the chains of night. Onward they march with all their might. Stars align to guide the way, through the trials they will not sway. Whispers of fate in the wind, together they fight till the very end. Destiny calls when the thunders roar, to the realm unknown they soar. Wings of hope spread open wide, in a world where dreams can't hide. Battles rage with swords of flame, yet the spirits they cannot tame. True courage beats in every heart, united they'll never fall apart. Darkness looming, they will resist, with the love that does persist. Fear not the shadows, grim and cold, for in their journey a tale unfolds. Destiny calls where the thunders roar, to the realm unknown they soar. Wings of hope spread open wide, in a world where dreams can't hide. Battles rage with swords of flame, yet the spirits they cannot tame. True courage beats in every heart, united they'll never fall apart. Darkness looming, they will resist, with the love that does persist. Fear not the shadows, grim and cold, for in their journey a tale unfolds.